Good morning and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at the aftermarket impact guard for a Bafang mid-drive motor. Okay, so this is it. And these could be as much as sort of 40 euros. I picked this one up on offer at 28 euros. It's made of a hard ABS plastic, seems pretty strong and well made. Final quality control left a bit to be desired. It looked like it had been wrapped in the sort of the bubble wrap. They're a bit too eager to even put it in there while it was still either hot or wet. And you could actually see sort of a light imprint here of the bubble wrap. Now, at first I thought, well, it's black ABS plastic, I'll be able to sand it out of a bit wet and dry, which I tried, and then discovered actually it wasn't black ABS plastic, it was a white ABS plastic that was actually sprayed with matte black. So the gloss finish you see here isn't what you'd get a matte finish, but I had black gloss in the workshop kicking around, so that's what we used. Okay, so no instructions with this kit, but to be honest, it looks pretty self-explanatory and straightforward. What comes in the kit is your guard here, and then you've got these 4 longer screws, 4 washers and 4 spacers. Looking at the motor, I suspect you take the original screws out, these bottom 2 here on both sides, you put the spacers in, you put the guard in, and then the longer screws through and tighten them up, and hopefully that will replace it and all holds it together. So I think what we'll do, let's give it a go and see how it works out. Okay, so there you have it, the final product. So what don't I like? Well, we've got shiny silver screws here. I had to substitute these washers here for some bigger washers, otherwise it was just going to gouge into the plastic, so I'm not keen on that. I think she'll end up sourcing some flat-headed Allen bolts to go in there of a better quality steel. Another problem was the spacers were slightly out, so it is tugging slightly in on these lugs. So I think when I do refit those other bolts, I'll probably want to get a few washers, probably only just a washer either side between the spacer and the actual bracket, and that should cure that. Now that aside, it looks like it's going to do the job. I reckon if you had a good clout on there, it'd take the impact, and if it didn't, it would snap off on these lugs here and still leave the screws in holding the motor together. And you'd get home and you'd be able to replace it. So it served the purpose, for the sake of 28 euros, you're saving yourself sort of a 350, 400 euro new motor if you have to buy a new one or stop messing about changing cases. So I suspect it's well worth the money. Like I say, quality control left a bit to be desired. The screws and the fixings, you probably need upgrading to a better thing, but for what its purpose is and for what it's meant to do, I still think it's pretty good value for money. So, time to get on the trail. All that remains is thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and that hype button, it greatly helps the channel, and I'll see you next time.